Today, we're sharing 5 simple yet effective ways to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a beginner looking to enhance your living space, these budget-friendly tips will help you achieve a luxurious look effortlessly. Create a stunning gallery wall by mixing different sized frames and artwork. Opt for high-quality frames that complement your decor style. This adds a touch of sophistication and personality to any room. Upgrade your kitchen or bathroom with a stylish faucet. Choose a design that suits your space, whether it's a sleek matte black finish or a classic brushed nickel. A beautiful faucet instantly elevates the look of the entire room. Use decorative tray tables to add both functionality and style. Arrange books, candles, or a small vase with fresh flowers on the tray for a chic and curated look. These tables are versatile and can be moved around as needed. Incorporate a statement piece like a blue paisley vase as a focal point in your room. The vibrant color and intricate design instantly draw attention and create a luxurious feel. Pair it with neutral decor for a balanced look. Don't underestimate the power of old furniture. Vintage or antique pieces can add character and charm to your home. Consider refinishing or reupholstering them to give them a fresh new look that fits your style. And there you have it. 5 simple ways to make your home look expensive. Whether it's a gallery wall, a stylish faucet, decorative tray tables, a statement vase, or old furniture, these tips will help elevate your space without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration.